Okay, one more thing. I always forget something, right? So I'm going to go ahead and share this tab again. And this is what you're doing today after this lecture. Besides the bell work, please do that. So you're going to go to your classwork tab again. Then you have this. So I haven't set it active yet. This is the night before. So hopefully, we're winning the match by now. 226, 224, and answer questions on page 228, 234, and 241 in your textbook. Remember, you should finish bell work number 2, and you should also finish the guided notes that we just went through. All right, so I'll just take that duplication out here because while I'm here, I might as well do my work. So that's it. Bell work, student guided notes, read pages 226, 224, pages 228 and 234 and 241, answer the questions. And you can use this portal assignment to do that. When you finish the bell work, of course, it'll mark it as done. Hand in the questions on a Google Doc or whatever you prefer. And then the guided notes, I do want to see that you finished that as well to complete the assignment. So those 3 things will count for you. All right. Keep doing what you're doing. Great job today so far. Take care, guys, again, and we'll see you on the flip.